What's up? I'm Lizzie Mathis, the queen of quick and tasty, and I'm so excited to be here to show you guys one of my new favorite dishes. Now, we've all been in a little bit of a food rut lately, making the same old food favorites that we're accustomed to and that come pretty easy to us. But I'm excited today because I'm gonna take it up a notch. I'm gonna show you a refresh of our family favorite dishes. As a mom of 3, I know exactly what it's like to have kids whose taste buds are constantly changing. So one of our favorite meals is baked chicken tenders with roasted potatoes and roasted veggies. Today, I'm gonna add a little bit of Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning just to give a little bit more of that zesty flavor. All right, so we have our potatoes. We've already cut them in half. First, we're gonna do our olive oil. We're gonna do 3 tablespoons of our seasoning. So potatoes are such a great blank canvas for Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning. The flavor is really able to shine through. So now we're gonna add our potatoes into our mixture, and we are just gonna toss them to coat really nice and evenly. So our potatoes are done with our seasoning. They look beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop these in the oven and they're gonna start cooking. All right, so next up we have our broccoli. What's great about this seasoning and olive oil, that combination, is that you can really substitute any veggie. So our veggies are done. We're gonna set them aside. We'll add those to the oven a little bit later. Now on to our chicken tenders. I'm gonna start off by cracking our eggs into our bowl. Beat them lightly with a fork. Next up, I'm gonna add our breadcrumbs into our bowl. I'm gonna add about 3 tablespoons of our Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning. And then we're gonna mix it up. So now we're gonna get our chicken tenders and we're gonna start dredging. I love dipping my chicken in ranch, but my secret is putting Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning into the coating so it's twice as good. And then we're just gonna line these on our sheet pan we have over here. Okay, so my potatoes have been cooking. I am gonna now add my broccoli to our sheet pan and just spread it evenly over. And I'm gonna spray my chicken tenders with a little bit of canola spray. Now everything's going back in the oven. All right. So we have our chicken tenders, our roasted veggies, and our potatoes all out of the oven, fresh and hot, and they smell delicious. We're gonna plate them, add a little bit of our broccoli, and some of our potatoes. All these potatoes are so crispy. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for. That's good. What I love about Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning is that it is so versatile. This Hidden Valley Ranch night recipe will be a go-to for you and your family.